In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund in Zoho Books. If you've been wondering how to smoothly process a refund for a payment you've received, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps together to make sure you know exactly what to do. To start, you'll want to open up Zoho Books and navigate to the Sales section. This is your go-to destination for managing any transactions related to your sales operations. Within the Sales tab, look for the option that says Payments Received. This is the area where all the payments made by your customers are listed. So, once you're there, you can easily review the list of payments received and find the specific payment that you need to refund. Now, locating the right payment is crucial, so take a moment to identify the one associated with the customer or transaction in question. Once you have identified the correct payment, you'll need to click on it. This action will bring up the detailed view of that particular transaction, showing you all the relevant information. It's a good idea to quickly verify the transaction details at this point, ensuring everything matches up with what you're expecting to refund. This little extra step can help prevent potential errors or confusion down the line. Now that you have the payment details open, look for the option labeled Refund. This option is generally easy to spot on the transaction page. Click on the Refund option to proceed with the refund process. This leads you to the screen where you'll actually enter the details of the refund you're about to make. It's important here to decide on the refund amount. In some cases, the customer might be eligible for a full refund, while in others, just a partial amount may be more appropriate, depending on the initial agreement or the context of the sale. Carefully input the refund amount that you intend to process. Double-check to ensure that the amount reflects what you agreed upon with the customer. This precision will help you avoid any issues later on. Finally, after entering the refund amount, you're almost there. The last step is to hit the Save button. Saving the transaction confirms the refund action within Zoho Books. Once saved, the system processes the refund, and it will be officially recorded in your financial records. Remember, the details automatically update to reflect the refund, keeping your books accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully processed a refund in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can efficiently handle refunds, maintaining good customer relations, and keeping your accounting records clear and precise. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your refunds smoothly in the future.